even competent to know, which you don't even know anything about, is not to the resident. It's a case between the supposed people and the state government. So it has nothing to do with the residents of the country. Please, can you call your superior in Abuja that you need to deactivate, you need to leave Lagos now? Please. Can you call your superior in Abuja and tell them that the governor is here and I'm the chief security officer and that you don't have any business to be in my state right now and that I want you to disengage from here.
Thank you very much, sir.
Up, Governor.
Number one.
My own orders.
That's why I'm asking you to make a phone call and tell them, your superior, that I'm here standing in front of you. Make that phone call.
Thank you, sir. I'm here on instruction of this Mr. Bureau of Police to the AGF, sir. And that is why I'm here. I'm too small or too low to call them. Your Excellency, sir, with due respect, sir, you can call them directly, sir.
So that your own superior. So Inspector General of Police ask you to come.
I'm here on instruction of Inspector General of Police to the AGF and to the General of Police.
I have spoken to the Attorney General at this moment,
okay.
so he's not aware that you are here.
We are expecting the call that we should disengage.
That's what I'm saying to you.
Yes, sir.
Because when I make the phone call, it will be tougher. If you can call and say that the governor is here in front of you, what should you do?
It is not my duty to call because I'm too low to do that, sir. Okay. If you call...
So where are your men?
My men are here. They are all over the estate.
How many men do you have here?
I have several of them, sir.
No, what number?
I cannot precisely tell you the number.
So even if anything happens to your men, you don't even know the number of men?
I know the number of my men I have.
So what is the number?
We sought for some other people to join
What
us
is
now.
the number that you have here?
I'm sorry, sir. Your Excellency.
So you cannot even do an head count of the number you
For the
brought?
security purpose, I cannot say this is the figure, sir.
So you don't know the number of men?
I
that you
know
have
the
brought?
number, but for security purpose, I cannot say this is the figure, sir.
So you know I'm the one talking to you?
Yes,
you
sir.
You're an assistant inspector, assistant, what is it?
I'm a chief superintendent of police.
Oh, CSP?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. So, pressmen, don't worry. I'll make 2 phone calls, right? One to the Inspector General of Police and one to the Attorney General of Police, Attorney Inspector of the Federation. I have spoken with him this morning and says he knows nothing about the fact that they are still here. Very illegal operation. They have absolutely nothing, and I'm the Chief Security of the state. Not even with the Inspector General wrote me, and before I said Jack Robinson is men are here. They are not from the Lagos State Police Command.
Are you
like
defying the governor's instruction?
Right? They are not from Lagos State Police Command. He says it's coming from Abuja, and I don't know what other interest do they have beyond just keeping peace of the country. This is not an expectation that I will expect for them to keep peace, because they don't have any business.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.